So not all sellers want to sell or list with an agent. Okay, some sellers have a reason to sell quickly and to sell at a discount. Got an email today. It was actually a response to a Craigslist ad. The seller simply said, "I'm motivated. I'm looking to sell," and she left her name and number. I was driving. I pulled right over and I gave her a call like within a minute of getting the email. The first thing she said was, "Wow, that was fast." So when I spoke to her, she knew what the homes in the neighborhood was going for. It was actually a nice house in the Bagley district or Bagley neighborhood in Detroit. She knew the values in the neighborhood. She knew the condition her home was in. She knew the amount of repairs that was needed, which was not much. And she also knew the amount of money that she wanted to get out. She made it clear up front that she did not want to list with the agent. She did not. She said she worked days. When she get home on the weekend, when she get home after work in the evenings, she wanted that time alone, and she wanted to enjoy her weekend. She didn't want people coming in doing open houses or seeing the house. She wanted somebody that can buy it quickly and um, will give her an offer today. So walk around the house, spoke with her. She was very, very motivated. Um, Put a contract on it and got a good deal on it, and she was very happy with my offer price. So I'm going to buy at that price. It's going to be a win-win for both sides, but not all homeowners want to list with the agent. Some people have their own reasons for wanting to sell directly to an investor.